What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from Promenade at Sunset Walk, Margaritaville Resort, Orlando for another Sunset Walk Slingshot construction update. There's a lot to see and do. Let's go! Alright, so it's been about a week and a half since we were last here. We're going to get onto the construction site and see what's new. Hopefully there's something. Lots of rebar and everything right here. And oh yeah, I already see progress. Concrete for the launch pad, as well as more cable guides. Towers are looking good. And then over this direction, this tower looking good also. But behind it, we have another concrete pad, and then there's another one just right over there. Again, pad pretty much the same as it was before. Still have the conduit lines with caps over there. Ladder leading up. And man, do I want to climb this thing. And over here, cable guide box with that string. It goes all the way over there. We'll look down inside. The cables will run. All right, so let's get down to the pad, shall we? Quick little walk down. You can see, there it is. Looks good too. Again, some of the lines will run right there in that trench, and then up the towers. Now let's check up on the concrete pads that are over here for the admissions booth, video booth. That'll be right here. Conduit lines coming out. Pad looks good. Rebar coming up. And it's pretty close to the towers. Maybe about 30-40 feet away. And this pad over here. Again, conduit lines, rebar, and you can see how this is kind of like a building. So this will be a room right here, another room over here, and then a larger room right here with restrooms. So we have restrooms, faucet, sink, and that's going to do it for these pads at least. One final look at the tower to the north, the launch pad, and the south tower right here. That's pretty much going to do it for everything here on the ground. Let's get into the air and see how it all looks. Well, guys, that's going to do it for another update here from Promenade at Sunset Walk for the Sunset Walk Slingshot. Exciting stuff as the launch pad is in place. Foundations are also going in for buildings. And, well, we're not really going to be going over to the storage lot today. Nothing's changed over there, but you did see it from the air. We're going to have plenty more updates from here, so if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.